As we have seen that there is very poor condition of healthcare sector in India. Hello everyone. The topic for the day is healthcare system in India. Starting with a brief introduction, healthcare basically refers to one of the major backbone of any economy. It supports people to get stronger mentally and physically with the help of the facilities provided with them. And why it is important to get the citizens of a particular country stronger? The reason is that we need every citizen to be stronger because human resource is one of the most invaluable asset and more resourceful asset of any country. Now let's come to the importance that why healthcare is important for any country. The first one, efficient healthcare system enhances the productivity of the country. How it is related to the productivity? When a person is getting better healthcare conditions, the time of getting the treatment and being fit reduces, and once it reduces, the productivity automatically enhances. Now coming about the present context, as we have seen that there is very poor condition of healthcare sector in India in terms of both, first of all, the human resources, that is doctor, nurses and the other supporting staff, and second one, the infrastructure. We have seen there was a huge crisis during the pandemic and the second wave. There were no beds available to the people and people were lying on the road for the oxygen. So that shows those were one of the most disturbing picture for any country when their citizens are dying, just they are not getting oxygen, they are not getting beds. Now talking about the different challenges or problems which we have in our healthcare system. The first one is there is poor doctors to patient ratio. According to WHO, there must be one doctor in per 1,000 people, but in India it is around 1 to 1,404, and in many of the government hospitals that is also not present. Talking about the rural ratio, it's just 1 is to 11,000. Now see it, and the doctors will not even visit the villages. So this shows that how pathetic conditions of our healthcare system is. The second one is the infrastructural facilities are very limited and they are catering to only one section of the society. Why these aims cannot be settled or made in a small remote area? Why they are only in the big cities? So this also gives the regional differences between the people. There are very limited aims and everyone cannot go aims because of the connectivity. Why we can't have better district hospitals in a particular village, in a particular district, so that it can be easily accessible to the people nearby. Now coming to some of the solutions and suggestions. The first one, there must be enhancement of the budget of the healthcare. We spend only 1.6% of our GDP, and that is very small number. Talking about the developed country called USA, they spend around 16.2% of their GDP. And there is very less news that people are dying there because of oxygen, because of beds. And this should not happen. A person should not die because of lack of resources, lack of doctors, lack of supporting staff. The second one is about the recruiting as much as people you can make better quality doctors coming from different institutions. So we need to provide subsidies to the students where they can study in the good educational institutions such as AIMS, then you have RIM, then not RIMC, there are different other educational institutes. So by this we will be having a different qualified workforce for that particular field. So I believe by following all these measures, we can improve the healthcare sector in India in the coming future. So that's it. Thank you.